Hey, this is Dave from Unipro, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get more YouTube subscribers directly from Facebook. And no, I'm not going to tell you to take the links to your YouTube videos and post those all over Facebook. That does not work. Don't do that. Instead, we're going to take a look at some YouTube growth secrets that can get you hundreds of subscribers just like this directly from Facebook. Let's dive in. So maybe you've been growing up a Facebook audience, maybe you got a Facebook group, and that's really exciting, but you know that putting all your eggs in one basket isn't always the smartest idea. Maybe YouTube deserves a little bit of your focus. But starting a YouTube channel and trying to get subscribers, that seems really hard. Well, I'm gonna show you what doesn't work very well. I'm gonna go over to a post like this, and this is very common, is people will take their YouTube videos and they'll post them directly on Facebook. They want their Facebook audience to see the YouTube channel, go over there, and hopefully they'll subscribe. There's a problem with this strategy though. When we take a look at Charlie's post here, you can see he says, watch the video version here, and he drops his link to his YouTube channel. But check out the engagement. There's no comments on this. There's a handful of likes and loves. There's a couple of shares. And Charlie's someone who's got a good audience on Facebook. He does great content. But when you start posting external links on Facebook, links that take people off the Facebook platform, Facebook's going to squash your reach. Very few people are going to see posts like this. I'll show you another common strategy that people try and do using Facebook to grow their YouTube channels is they'll send out messages like this. And I got this message recently from Amit. Amit says, "Hey Smith, this is my official YouTube channel, so please subscribe and also hit the like button. Thank you, brother." Just imagine yourself, if I sent you a message inside a messenger asking you to do this, are you gonna go subscribe? Absolutely not. This is spam. But there are good ways to use your Facebook audience to get more YouTube channel subscribers. And that's what we're gonna take a look at. But first you might wonder, well, why do you even need both? And there's a really good reason why you wanna use both YouTube and Facebook. Let's take a look. First off, check this stat out. YouTube viewers watch over 1 billion hours of videos on the platform every single day. YouTube is an amazing search engine. When people have questions, they go to YouTube. They search those answers, they find videos, and they watch a ton of video content. YouTube is a great way for you to get in front of a broader audience and to grow your business. But if it's so good at growing your business, why do you even need Facebook at all? Well, there is a problem with YouTube. I'm gonna go over here and take a look at the community tab inside your YouTube channel. And maybe you've never even seen this community tab before, but this is YouTube's attempt at getting more engagement with your subscribers. And so what you can do is you can go and create content down here, images, you can create polls, you can write text, you can post quizzes, and this will go up in the feed, in the YouTube feed of some of your channel subscribers. And while that might get some engagement, it's absolutely no match for the power of community building on Facebook. Facebook allows you to get to know your followers, it gets to know your leads, it helps you nurture them so much more quickly. And so you can imagine if you can harness the power of YouTube and its huge audience who wants answers, along with Facebook's ability to build community, nurture leads, and turn those leads into sales, that's a winning combination. So how do you do that? Well, 4 steps. The first step that I use is I drive my YouTube viewers over to my Facebook group. And let's take a look. You'll see here I've got one of my videos, and down when we go into the comments, you'll see the very first comment. It says, looking for more ways to grow your audience and monetize on Facebook? Join our community. And then it's got a link to go over to my audience and influence Facebook group. You'll also notice that this is pinned by Unipro. So when you click on the 3 dots over here, you'll notice that it says unpin. So I could unpin this comment and then repin it. When you pin this comment, you can pin one comment, and that makes sure that your comment will stay at the top of the comment section. So everyone who comes over to this video, and in this case, about 10,000 people have viewed this video, they're gonna see this comment and they're gonna be enticed to go over and join my Facebook group. Well, you might think, hold on, Dave, I thought this video was all about getting more YouTube subscribers. You're talking about sending people over to a Facebook group. Yes, and let me show you why. I'm gonna go over to the audience and influence group that YouTube video is directing people to, and come on down here and let's take a look at the stats. You'll see that there's over 10,000 members inside this group. There's between 100 and 200 new members who join every single week. So YouTube is sending some traffic over to this Facebook group. And here's the neat thing. When Facebook sees that this group is growing and it sees that these new people who are coming in are engaging, they're getting value, they like being part of this community, guess what Facebook does? Facebook says, okay, Dave, we're gonna help you grow this group even faster. And then new members from Facebook start joining this group. And this is where things get really cool, because now I've got a Facebook audience that's growing more quickly. And now I can share my YouTube channel with those new group members. So to summarize, YouTube helps my group grow. Facebook sees this growth and also helps the group grow even faster. And that allows me to reach new members who I can send back over to the YouTube channel. And you can do this exact strategy as well. Now, side note, while we're talking about Facebook group growth, if you're an admin of a Facebook group and you'd like to really ramp up how quickly your group is growing, I recorded a full-length training showing all the strategies we use to take our group from 0 to over 10,000 members, all for free. So check out the link in the description of this video. You can have access to the exact same strategy. You can follow this as well, and you can start using the exact same strategy that we use. The cool thing about this is as as your Facebook group grows, guess where you can send those new members? That's right, over to your YouTube channel. So that's strategy number one, drive your YouTube channel to your Facebook group, and then your Facebook group back to your YouTube channel. Strategy number two is to answer questions with YouTube videos. Let me show you an example. I'm gonna go over here to one of the groups that I belong to. It's called Canadian Dads. And this member here, Justin, he asked a question about diabetes and recipes, and he's looking for some support. Corey here comes back to him, asks some questions, and then drops this huge long answer. And Corey, I'm sure he means well, but think about the amount of time you're taking if you're answering questions like this. Second, think about Justin here. He's got to read through this long-winded answer and try and pull out a solution that's actually going to help him solve his problem. You're a busy business owner. You don't have time to do this, and you can serve your community better. Let me show you an example. Over inside my group, Audience and Influence, I've got a question here from Mark. Mark's asking about how to increase his views on his Facebook Reels. Instead of typing out a 10-point answer like we just saw, what did I do? I dropped a link directly to a YouTube video that's all about getting more engagement on Facebook Reels. It's exactly what Mark's looking for, and it took me no time to drop this response.
So easy.
Now your question might be, well, Dave, what if someone asks a question and I don't have a YouTube video for that question? Great. What you're going to start doing is looking for questions that come up in your Facebook group or elsewhere on Facebook, and you're going to put those into a list of videos that you're going to create for your YouTube channel. Then when those commonly asked questions come up, instead of typing out that big, huge essay trying to answer those questions, you're simply going to start dropping links to your YouTube channel. Your Facebook followers are going to be thrilled because they get an amazing answer to their question, and you're going to get more YouTube subscribers as a result. So number two, you're going to start answering questions by dropping YouTube video links. Number three, you're going to mention your YouTube channel in all your Facebook Lives. Let me show you an example. Here's an example of a training that my wife Lucy and I did. It was all about making more sales on Facebook. And at one point in this training, we started talking about turning on your Facebook professional mode and monetizing your personal profile. Now that was a bit of a side tangent from our main points in this training session. So instead of walking through all the steps about monetizing a Facebook account, we can simply drop a link to a YouTube video that goes through everything that someone might need to know. Let me show you. Over on my YouTube channel, here's the video right here. It says how to monetize Facebook videos, in-stream ads for Facebook profiles. This video shows our Facebook Live viewers exactly the steps they need to take. And so you can do this as well. When you're going live on Facebook, you can have links to YouTube videos that add supplementary training. And then you can drop those links during your Facebook Live. You can also put them right inside the description of the video. And then you can direct people back to those links when people ask questions that are answered inside your YouTube videos. And this is powerful. When we take a look at this live video, you can see over 1,000 people were reached, 704 comments. This is a huge opportunity to convert Facebook followers into YouTube subscribers. That's number three, start mentioning your YouTube channel right inside your Facebook Live videos. And number four is use your email list to grow your YouTube channel. And I know that might not sound like a Facebook tactic, but it really is. Let me show you. Over inside of our Audience and Influence group, when people come in and request to join this group, they're asked 3 membership questions. And the third membership question says this. It says, what is your best email address where we can connect you with our private trainings, tools, and resources? And as people join our group, they start dropping their email address, and this is added to our email list. I'll show you our email list over here. You can see that there's almost 4,600 people who are added directly from that Facebook group question. So now Facebook is growing my email list, and I can take that email list and use it to grow my YouTube channel subscribers. Let me show you an example of a type of email you might want to send to your email list. Here's the script I used. It says, did you see the new Unipro YouTube channel? It has the most up-to-date Facebook strategies that will help you grow your online business. Mind taking 5 seconds to subscribe to the channel so that you have access and help the channel grow. Thank you. Very important to note here is I was really clear as to why someone would want to subscribe. Why would they subscribe? Is it just to help out my channel grow? No, you want to tell them what benefit they're going to get. So in this case, they're going to be able to grow their business by getting the most up-to-date Facebook strategies. And then I made it very easy, 5 seconds for them to go and subscribe. You can do this to your email list. You're going to get new YouTube subscribers. Let me show you a second example here. Imagine that you send out an email about a specific topic. It wasn't about growing your YouTube channel. At the bottom of your email, you could put this. Here's a PS. It says, PS, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? As a subscriber, you'll get free resources to grow your online business. So again, I'm emphasizing what are they going to get? How are they going to benefit? And then here's the link. You can put this exact PS at the bottom of your emails, and you're going to be growing your YouTube channel subscribers every single day. And remember, for us, this is driven 100% by Facebook. All of our email subscribers are coming right from our Facebook group. It's so powerful. So those are 4 strategies that you can use to take your Facebook audience and get more YouTube subscribers. Now, in full transparency, I do use those 4 strategies, but I also have a secret weapon. My secret weapon is Unipro. Unipro. And if you've never checked out Unipro, you got to go check it out. Go over to unipro.com. Unipro goes out onto Facebook. It's going to find your ideal targeted leads and bring those people over into your audience. It's going to fill up your Facebook group. It's going to help you build your email list. It's going to help you nurture your leads and get more paying customers and clients. And a side bonus, like we just looked at, as you grow your Facebook audience, you can also get more subscribers on YouTube. Unipro has been a game changer for my business, and I know you're going to love it. Go over to unipro.com. Well, that's what I've got for you in this video. If this was helpful, give this video a like. And if you have any comments or questions about using YouTube and Facebook in conjunction to grow your business, go ahead and leave those in the comment section. I'm happy to help out. And again, if you haven't checked out Unipro, you got to check it out. Go over to unipro.com. I know it's going to be a game changer for you. Thanks for checking out this video. Can't wait to see you in the next video.